So after 2 weeks of excavations in a Ortvala Cave in the historical region of Kvevri, finally we reached the cultural layer of the 12th, 13th century. And when excavating this layer, unexpectedly we unearthed the pottery vessel, which is called the Kvevri. It's a big vessel which is buried in the soil, and it was used for keeping of liquids, particularly for keeping wine underground. So this Kvevri seems to be never been opened after it was closed from the flat stones from above, and what we are gonna now to do is to open it. The flat stone is broken in the half into parts, and we are going to open it, and then we are going to take samples for a laboratory analyzing. And for this we prepared this kind of a tools, which is a 2-meter long scale, and we attach the spoon at the end of it, and using these handmade tools we are trying to get the samples now from the Kvevri. So as we have never had this kind of experience before, this is what we are doing first time now here in Kazreti Ortvala. So first we have to open this pottery, this clay pottery, very carefully and look inside. So as I said, it's broken in 2 parts, semicircular parts, and one of them is in the soil in the section, and another is out of the section. So we are removing the part which is out of the section. So we carefully take it away, and we can see the diameter of the openings of this pottery vessel. And as already said, inside is some sediments, which seems to be remains of the grapes, and also there is some liquid, seems to be a water, or maybe it's a wine which transformed into a water for centuries. And now we are going to take some part. Okay, it's quite hard material, hard sediment, but anyway, it's possible to take it out. So I'm gathering a part of it, and now slowly I'm pulling it out. Also, we already prepared the special parcel for the sample, and we are gonna to put the sample inside here, but I think this is not enough, so I will try to get another portion of the sample now. Actually, I will take 3 spoons, which gonna be about 50 grams, which is good enough for dating and for paleontological studies also. So this is another spoon which goes to the same parcel, and one more. Here it goes. Voila, so sample is ready. So what we are going now to do is to close it and to make some notes on the paper and keep together with this parcel. And the note will say the site name and the date and the amount of the sample, and also the height from the sea level and different kind of information. And they together will go to the lab of the University of Georgia. So actually we don't yet know which period this Kvevri belongs to, but as a preliminary observation After the preliminary observation, we can say that it goes to the 12th, 13th centuries. But after the, particularly after the biological and radiocarbon dating, we will be able to say more about the dating and the cultural belonging of this pottery, of this quarry, and on this archaeological layer in general.
Thank you.